Exclamatory sentences are fascinating. They express strong emotions like anger, joy, sorrow, excitement, and surprise. Imagine someone shouting, "What a beautiful day!" That's an exclamatory sentence, bursting with joy. It's not just about the words, it's about the feelings behind them. Now, let's dive into how we transform these lively exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. The key here is to treat them like ordinary assertive sentences. For example, if someone exclaims, "I can't believe we won," in direct speech, we would change it to indirect speech by saying, "He exclaimed that he couldn't believe they had won." Notice how the excitement is still there, but the structure shifts to a more straightforward form. Let's look at a few more examples. If someone says, "Bravo," after a fantastic performance, in indirect speech, we would say, "He applauded him, saying that it was a great performance." The essence of the emotion remains, but the exclamation is transformed into a statement. Consider the expression of sorrow. If someone says, "Alas, I have lost my wallet," in direct speech, we would change it to indirect speech as, "He exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his wallet." The emotion of regret is still conveyed, but it's presented in a more subdued manner. Another interesting transformation involves expressions of contempt. If someone says, "Shaw, that's ridiculous," we can change it to indirect speech by saying, "He exclaimed with contempt that it was ridiculous." The strong emotion is still present, but it's framed as a statement rather than an outburst. It's important to remember that while we're changing the structure, the emotional weight of the original exclamatory sentence is preserved. This is what makes the transformation so intriguing. Exclamatory sentences add color and intensity to our language, allowing us to express ourselves passionately. When we convert them into indirect speech, we maintain that emotional core while adapting to a more narrative style. So, the next time you encounter an exclamatory sentence, think about how you can transform it into indirect speech. It's a great way to practice your understanding of emotions in language and how they can be conveyed in different forms. Embrace the challenge, and you'll find that mastering exclamatory sentences and their transformations can be both fun and rewarding.